It's time!
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How we all doing today? Guys, Tradovate was out this morning. I thought I wasn't going to stream. What's up, Gabriel? What's up, Just Ain't Right? What's up, Stefan? What's up, M5? Good morning, Robert. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, guys, Tradovate was down in Ninja Trader, so I thought, I was like, I guess we're not streaming today, boys. But it's back. Yeah, we're back now. They had like Tradovate had like a lock or something, and then they removed it, so that was nice, I guess. Mine seems to be working okay, knock on wood, so hopefully there's no outages or anything. Yeah, that was kind of weird. I woke up and everyone was like, it's down, it's down, it's down. I was like, oh shit. So we'll see. Guys, we have Mr. Powell. Mr. Powell is speaking at 11 a.m., 11:30. We got FOMC today, boys. Brace yourselves. Yeah, 11 a.m. And then we have news. 5:30 a.m. tomorrow, unemployment. Cat's over there. Then we have a core PPI on Friday, but I think Friday might have what is it? The government shutdown. Bro, the cat's going crazy. Hey, Tommy, Top Step won today. They won today. Top Step X won today. With all the Top Step outages, and now it's Tradeovate's turn. Timmy, yeah, they literally sent him out to take out Tradovate this morning. They knew that they were gonna have problems with the FOMC. It was an inside job. Nancy Pelosi was in on it. Let's go, Kenji. You got it, brother. Same thing, man. Just be very disciplined. Alright, we had a big sell-off right here, but it looks like it's kind of coming back up here. Staircasing up, breaking levels up. Want to see how I test this right here. Yeah. They're the assassins are there to check the flux capacitor. Mohammed, I just trade this time. I like it better. Nice job, Tommy. Great job, man. It's a great way to start the year. What are you, like 13K now in payouts? That's pretty damn good, Tommy. Hey, relax. The cat's going crazy.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
What's up, Internet? Eric, I'm pretty sure they're filling for, I think. I haven't taken a trade, but my buy and sell orders are closing, so I'm hoping it works. Gabriel, yeah, we got FOMC today, guys. I low-key was like, oh, I'm gonna have to touch grass today. We were literally talking about it in the Discord. What's up, Tevin? Cat's going crazy. Alright, we got a new 5-minute right here. Lucid works, nice. Yeah, that's how I found out that Tradevate was working again. Lucid announced in their thing that it was back online, so hopefully we're good to go. The TakeProfitTrader seems to be okay. Tevin, hopefully you can get something. If you got it done with the loss during the outage, they might help you. Hopefully. Yeah, it's all good, man. It happens, and then people were like, with the outages, they were kind of like freaking out and stuff. Bro, I got allergies right now, but I took an allergy pill. Yeah, I'm getting allergic to Jerome Powell. I'm getting allergic to Jerome Powell, boys. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Mohammed, I'm on West Coast PST. So like market open, I'm kind of just waking up, honestly. Yeah, internet. A lot of the prop firms, yeah, guys. If you guys had problems like an outage with the outage earlier, the prop firm, most of them said that they'll help you fix it or something or resolve an issue. So if you had if you lost during that time, hopefully they'll fix it. Think so, M5? Yeah, hopefully they'll wipe the losses, guys. Because it's not our fault. And it was only in the simulated environment with Tradovate. Alright, at the moment, it looks like it's kind of trying to make a reversal out of here. We had a big sell-off right here, but now it's staircasing up, breaking levels up, so maybe look for a breakout long. Maybe. Alright, guys, remember, we're on the micros. We're not ripping 5 minis. Guys, I almost ripped 5 minis yesterday by one click of a button. That would have been really, really bad. Really bad. Guys, I would have lost. I would have blown these accounts. Yeah, guys, if you had a live account, it was working fine. It was only in the simulated environment. Hazen, yeah. Either or. You're like, huh, I just cleared a buffer in 5 seconds. Let's go. I use the downloaded version, Gandalf. I don't use the web. Alright, see if it wants to break out of here. Yeah, guys, we're gonna rip 5 minis right at FOMC. As soon as he Jerome Powell walks in, he goes to the mic. Good morning, everyone. NASDAQ just skyrockets. Good morning, everyone. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna take a breakout long right here. Hope this is the plan. Guys, I noticed on all my trades I've been saying on the live stream, I don't know why. Well, right before every single trade, I go, alright, this might be a little risky, but I have no idea. I've been watching the clips when I'm editing them, and I'm like, why am I saying that all the time? Alright, guys, this might be a little risky, but gonna look for a breakout long to the upside right here. Alright, so we had a big sell-off. We got a new 5-minute. We had a big sell-off, and it looks like it's kind of breaking up, breaking levels up, and looking like it's making a reversal, so that's why I'm taking a breakout long. We're risking 15 points. But, want to see? Yeah, I like this 5-minute close to keep close above it, and then continuation up, and that would be a nice 20 to 40 points right there. I mean... Salim, yeah, Top Step won this morning, guys. Top Step won this morning. They got us today. You won today, Michael Patak. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Boom, all the stocks just go skyrocketing, hitting all-time highs. It's kind of crazy, like, how much power someone has, like, over the markets. It's kind of crazy. Yeah. Fibsy, you can have 550K accounts with MyFundedFutures, and then for the 100 and 150Ks, you can only have 3 funded. Yeah. We do have FOMC in an hour 40, so we should still have decent movement. I mean, it's moving okay. Oh god, hard trader. Purple tie. Dude, you can bet on anything on that. It's kind of crazy. Alright, not liking that. Guys, for a breakout, you generally just want it to work right away. Obviously, like with most trades. But a breakout, you just want it to go right away in your favor. And just go break out and just keep going up. But when it stalls like that, it's kind of, I don't know, I don't like it. You need momentum. But we'll see.
Stop filled.
Stopped out right there. Breakout failed right there. Coming back down here. Yeah, that's kind of a big red candle right there. There was a little hesitation right there, but I mean, it was a decent 5-minute close. It was closing above it, so. Guys, are we getting turtle souped again? Fuck this. Wow, that's a big red candle right there. Miguel, yeah, I should be working. Mine working fine now. I wasn't gonna live stream today, and then it literally was like, oh, we're back live. Wow, we got a big sell-off coming in, so damn. Yeah. Bro, who is this? We got Bushido, is that you? Yeah, we got stopped out. Well, good thing we had a stop loss. I would have been down like 30 points right there. Fuck. Yeah. Okay, yeah, guys. Good thing we got out right there. That's a big dump coming in right here. But yeah, guys, we got FOMC. Took one loss. It's okay. The breakout failed. Damn, look at this red candle, guys, coming in. We got a new 5-minute in 23 seconds. Ugh. Guys, we were gonna touch grass today. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Nice internet. Yeah, da. That's a good idea. Especially today, we're gonna have some volatility later, probably, most likely. This is where we are expecting movement today after FOMC and stuff, because like I said, we had Monday and Tuesday no news, so we were expecting chop, and there was chop, but now we have news Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so that's where we're at, guys. Middle, I haven't. Is it ripping still? I only trade NASDAQ. Damn, silver's up. Fuck. Take it slow, Gabriel. Just look for an A+ setup, brother. We had a really good discipline yesterday, guys. I'm really proud of that. We had extremely disciplined. We didn't take a single trade yesterday. But it was still a good stream. We literally... What is it? Didn't trade the whole stream. We stayed cash. Cash is a position. Timmy, yeah, it's real money on the line. Internet, yeah. I can maybe see that. I think this was just like a big pullback and then just like starting to dump or something. And then we might break the lows of the day. Let's go, wise guy.
Order filled.
I'm gonna look for a short right here. I'm gonna have a tighter stop, like 11 points. I want to see it hit the lows and then break this down and then make new lows of the day. But guys, breakouts haven't been working for me this week really, so I'm hoping that it'll work. I mean, we've been getting faked out and reversed hard. So we managed our risk very well on Monday. We managed our risk very well. Very tight stops, like 10, 11 points. But with a breakout, you want it to go like right away in your favor, obviously. Internet, you already know when I'm about to enter a trade. Guys, if I'm going like this, I'm about to enter a trade maybe. I'm really thinking. Yeah, this is what I don't want to see. Loki might just have to sit to FOMC maybe. I think that's maybe the plan. We're getting reversed hard. Yeah. Yeah, middle. I'm only in the 5 minute. Alright, 9:30 candle right here. See where it wants to go. Ripski down, brother. Ripski down. Boom, boom. Wise guy? Order filled. You're like all checking your shit. Order filled. You're like, no way. Hey, you got an order filled notification when the Tradovate outage is on? Gandalf, you cannot bracket when you're copy trading, unfortunately. They have, I don't know why. So you gotta do that manually when you're copy trading. Guys, there's just so much hesitation. With these breakouts, we want it to work like right away. This is just doing funny business. Nah.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna get out at break even. Oh my god. Dude, right when I get out at break even, it starts dumping. That's crazy. There was just too much stalling right there. And I think maybe we should wait a little bit. I mean, we have FOMC in an hour and a half. But if we do see another setup, maybe I'll take it. But there was just too much stalling right here. And then on this loss right here, we were just stalling right there. And then it just dumped hard. So, not the best. I'll get out break even. Let me tell you something. Order filled. You're like, oh shit. I got a position running. Michael, yeah, thank you, Michael. Yeah, guys, you're not allowed to trade TakeProfitTrader Pro and Pro Plus accounts 1 minute before and after and between that. So when it's happening, you're not allowed. You will liquidate your accounts. So do not do that, guys. Yeah, there was just too much stalling right here. We need a momentum to go right away. So yeah, even if it rips, I'm happy that we got out at break even. There's just too much. It's too slow. It needs to go like right away. What's up, Meeks? Yeah, maybe low-key might have to just stay cash, honestly. We could just stay cash for a bit. Gabriel? We get a one-day pass? A one-day pass eval? Just rip it? Eric? They're okay. I don't like how you have to make $3,000 per profit payout request. That's the only thing I don't like. But I like the flex accounts better. Yeah, guys. If you do that, what is it? Fuck around and find out type of price action. Derek, it really depends on your preference. If you want bigger payouts and that kind of top step route, then go for the 5-day. But if you want daily payouts, anything above the buffer and payout caps, go with the daily payout. Yeah, Apex wants you to full port that shit too. They literally want you to full port that shit. Dude, that was actually kind of smart of them to drop the 90% off sale right before the news. What, they dropped it yesterday or something? Right before all the big news events are coming. They want you to full port, guys. Alright, guys, we're just going to rip it. We're going to rip it live. 20 accounts. All in or nothing. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Yeah, guys, this is what I was talking about with that breakout. It was just stalling way too long right here. We want it to go like right away, and now it's kind of just popping back up, so no bueno. Yeah, Gabriel, you gotta be more smart about it. That's good that you're being smart. Dabda, yeah, kind of with the 1 day pass. Even like me, like I want to get it done like quick. So yeah, you kind of do like full port it, or like not full port it, but like over leverage, over trade, try and get it done right. And then it's like, damn, if I just took that base hit, traded tomorrow, traded the next day, I would have been done. So yeah, I know what you're saying. It's just a nice incentive to get it done in 1 day. But yeah, it just kind of, some people will get like gambling behavior from it. I could, Meeks, but right now I'm just trading these accounts. I'm not getting any more accounts with TakeProfitTrader. As long as these are still alive, I'm not getting any more accounts. Because I want to keep these accounts alive. I don't want to buy any more challenges. Guys, I hate challenges. I don't like going through the challenge phase. It's annoying. It's time you're not getting paid. I like the funded accounts. That's why I kind of like the 1 day pass, but then like we were talking about, Dabda, that kind of produces that bad behavior. Yeah, Kenji. Yeah, I stopped before. I would buy the TakeProfitTrader Pro account resets so I could skip the eval, but I realized how like kind of dumb and expensive it was. Like if you had the money, then yeah, maybe go for it. But even then, it's like you could get 6.5 50K accounts for one reset of the pro account. Guys, to reset a 50K pro account, TakeProfitTrader, $650. That is crazy, especially if you buy 5. That's $3,250. And don't get me started with the 150Ks. The 150Ks are $1,500 resets. $1,500 resets. Oh man, that gotta be crazy. They're preying on your emotion at that point. So honestly, I just skip out the pro account resets. I'm like, whatever. Give me time to reset, and then you can literally get 6.5 challenges. So you get a whole new set of 5 challenges bought with that. So yeah, I stopped doing that. I realized it's not worth it. I'd rather just get the challenges, honestly, and just take a little longer. Yeah. Yeah, it's so expensive. $650 to reset a 50K account is so expensive. I realized, I was like, dude, it's just kind of a waste of money, honestly. Yeah, it's crazy expensive. Yeah, if you got a lot of payouts with those accounts, like if you got like a lot of payouts with these accounts, then maybe, I don't know. It depends on your bankroll and everything and how much it is to you. But for me, I'm like, I'd rather just go through the challenges again than pay $650 each. No thanks. No. Mikey, 1 loss, 1 break even. Yep, internet, absolutely. Because when you blow a funded account, what are you doing? You're emotionally and very annoyed. You're kind of tilted. You're pissed off. All right, let me reset this pro account. Get it reset. All right, then you're trading emotionally. And, they're preying on your emotion right there, right? So, in my opinion, just go through the challenges if you're going to do it. Yeah, Top Step added that too, that you can reset a pro account. But yeah, it's like still expensive, like $450, $500 or something. Still expensive for a 50K. If the pro account reset was like $200-$300, okay, yeah, I might think about it. But $500-$600, no, thanks. $200, yeah, I'll buy that shit. I'll reset that. $600, no. Oh man. And Fabi, I got some blown in my dashboard. I'm like, they're in the gone. They're in the past. Tommy, yeah. For a TakeProfitTrader, yeah. I don't think you can with Top Step. Yeah, I think, yeah. If you haven't got a payout with your top zip account, you can reset it. Yeah, Rainy. Yeah, I've reset some 50K accounts. My 150Ks, I looked at that $1,500 reset. I was like, hell no, 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 no. Back to the lobby, boys. We're buying evals again. $1,500 is absolutely absurd for a reset. $1,500 for one pro account reset. That is crazy. No. Yeah, if you got payouts with that account, yeah, like a lot of payouts. Yeah, it just costs of doing business if you want to get right back in the game. But like I said, I'd much rather just go through the challenges. We lost the battle, but not the war. Get ready for the next round. We lost the battle, but not the war.
We may have lost the battle, but not the war.
Yeah, bomb has been planted. Taken Bravo. Well, good thing we got off that trade, guys. I'm happy we got out of break even. That was a caca-poo-poo movement. Exactly, Rainy. It's a nice feature, but it's just too expensive. If they lowered it cheaper, maybe, but $650, no thanks. Securing Charlie. Well, looks like it's making a reversal again. I don't know what the heck's doing. Doing this mumbo jumbo yo-yo crap. Going up, going down, now it's coming back up. Hey, let's go. Guys, Tradovate just announced that they're gonna fix the red ones, red accounts if you're affected. Nice. Breach accounts will be restored. Red accounts, losing trades will be removed, and then the green will be unaffected. So guys, if you're green today, that's nice. If you're on Tradeify, that's good. Good on them. That's how all the propfirms should do it. So hopefully if you guys are with the other propfirm and you had outage issues, hopefully they fix it. Granata. Rainy, yeah, they used to do a 50% pro discount, but they haven't done that sale in like over a year. They haven't done it in a very long time. Where you get a 50% coupon off your pro account reset. So the 50K account was like $325 for a reset, but they haven't done that sale in a very long time. Lately, they've just been doing the no activation fee and like 30 to 40% off, and then the other really good sale is 30% off, no activation fee, and a test refund. So you can get free funded accounts if you get it to pay out. Damien, just TakeProfitTrader. We're not gonna trade during the news, but we can maybe trade like after we see movement. Yeah, internet. It's a win-win. Like, the fact that they closed it in a profit, I mean, you guys still made money. It's still a win. It's still a win, guys. Still a win. Burr, guys, we got the Burr. Jerome Powell's on deck. Yeah, Rainy, they used to do those sales, but yeah, they haven't done them in a while. So we'll see. Price is coming back down here. You guys seeing this is like false breakouts. Then it just comes back down. False breakout, ripped on down. We got tricked NASDAQ. We got tricked the trickster. Yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, guys, breakouts have not been doing well for me this week. We got clapped on Monday. Then we got clapped on this trade. Yeah, M5, yeah, we're most likely just gonna stay cash for a bit. Cause look at it. It just comes right back down, and then like I don't know if it's gonna keep breaking up and go higher, or it's just gonna pull back right away. Very tricky. MB trades with these TakeProfitTrader Pro accounts. Anything above the buffer you can withdraw daily. So if any profit I make over $2,000 balance, so I'm like $800 away, I can request daily. Anything above 2K on 5 accounts. That's the catch. Yeah, like normal me would go for a long, look for a long maybe. Or actually, I don't know. Nah, I'm gonna pass. Rainy, we might experience slower volatility and maybe some chop in a range, maybe. But because usually that's like that. Usually you'll see movement in the early morning, and then when it's like 3 hours maybe, sometimes before FOMC, sometimes it'll just slow down and chop around. But we're going to be waiting for Mr. Powell to speak. Mr. Powell. Jerome Powell, boys. Alright, I need a 5 minute 1 minute. But I'm hoping we see better movements because yesterday and Monday was straight garbage. Straight garbage. Internet, absolutely. No, Tom, I only trade NASDAQ. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping, guys. I'm hoping we get a better price action tomorrow. Maybe today after the news event. M5? Yeah, we could hit it up here again. We definitely could. Tom, yeah, that's what I heard. That's what I heard with Guys, why does my chart look like this? Do I have to do it in like the settings or something? I don't know. I only trade NQ. Yeah, it is New York lunchtime, yeah. Forward. Hey, thank you, internet, brother. Yeah, I'm like, what am I seeing here? Guys, I found out the accounts tab. Look at this. Now we can see all the accounts. Yeah, cause I have no idea. I don't know anything about silver. I don't know how it moves. I don't know, like how much does it move, like per point, or does it, or what? I'm not trading, guys. I'm just looking. I'm just watching. What the fuck? Huh. Damn. Yeah, let me look at how much does silver move per tick. Standard silver, so a mini, $25 per contract. Micro is $5 per contract. No, E-mini is $31.25. Yeah, the thing with new instruments, you gotta understand how it moves. One contract. You'll see how fast it. Yeah, I don't know. I never traded this shit. POV, it's your first time trading silver. Day, yeah, I don't trade ICT. I don't have anything wrong with it. It's just when people start talking shit on me on it. Like, oh, your strategy doesn't work. Why don't you trade ICT? I'm like, relax. I don't have a problem. I don't care if you trade ICT. If it works for you, it works for you. Just one contract, guys, and you will see. Micro silver. Middle, it's at 11 a.m. PST, so in an hour. And then also doing the press conference at 11:30. Guys, what's going on? Guys, this is where I took a breakout long and I got clapped. Massive dump. Let's see if it wants to dump again or what. Dude, false breakout to the downside. False breakout. Oh man, I was really tempted right there. Yeah, Meeks, I wasn't gonna live stream today, but then they said Tradeovate's back, so I was like, oh, we might as well go live. I was gonna go touch grass today. Let's go M5. Yeah, I mean, it was pretty annoying. A lot of people got affected this morning by it. But I'm thinking that the propfirms and Tradovate is gonna reverse if you're a red on the day, which is nice. Middle. I used Tradesyncer, but I haven't used Replicano. Oh man, look at that dump. No. I use Tradesyncer because you can have numerous connections with it. And you can just control it all together, and it's nice. Because I think with Replicano, you can only do what? NinjaTrader and Tradovate, I think. I'm not sure. I haven't used it. But then I think you can... I don't think you can use Rithmic. Only like one connection, maybe. Guys, look at that dump. I low-key almost shorted right there. Oh, gee, if you're up on the day, you should be fine. If you're up, they shouldn't reverse it on you or something. So, good job on that. I think it's only people that got blown their accounts or are negative on the day. Day, I don't think so. No, I think you have to pick them manually of who's connected. I mean, you can day, you can just switch it up. Like you just have like different groups. Like, let's say you have 4 accounts, you could just trade 2 at a time and then switch over to the other 2. Just trade it in groups, maybe. Yeah, dog. I think it depends on the prop firm, but Tradeify announced just now that if you're green on the day, that they'll let it keep it, which is nice. So I'm hoping other firms will do the same. Luis, it just always was there. The pro account resets for TakeProfitTrader. They've always been there. I think they've been there since the beginning. I think. Just really expensive. All right, we got a new hour candle in 30 seconds. Look at that dump. Oh my gosh. Dude, when I didn't pull the trigger. Fuck. Alright, new hour candle right here. Gabriel, yeah, that was a nice short entry. That was a great short entry. Good job, Gabriel. I low-key almost took it too. But I was like, I don't know. Brr. coming back up here, it looks like it's trying to. Azen. Look at that dump coming in, damn. Yeah, there was like a lot of fake outs going on this week. Gotta be wary about that. We gotta fake out the fake out. Azen, it's just getting used to it. As long as you followed your rules, you shouldn't be going on tilt. Like, if you followed your rules and it didn't, you took a good setup, you followed your rules, you didn't overtrade, you didn't over leverage, it was a good setup, you managed your risk well, and you still lost, it's a win. You should be proud of yourself. It's still hard for me to accept that. Like, on Monday, I took 3 losses, 0 for 3 on a day, but I was like, you know, I managed my risk well. I kept my losers small. I immediately stopped after the 3rd one. So I was like, that's a win, you know. But, you know, if you're going on tilt, you're going crazy, you're breaking all your rules, it's a discipline issue, and you just got to have, like, just the discipline to stop. You get used to it over time. Like, I'm getting more used to it. I'm not perfect, but I'm still working on it. But, you know, I still will get tilted every now and again. It's just part of human behavior. Alright. It's just making a range now. Get some water. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. Gabriel, yeah, I've been running once a week. Kind of just bouncing off this, like, kind of forming a range right here. I've been running once a week. It's pretty nice. I like it. I've been trying to run at least 2 miles a week. Guys, running, oh, I hate running, but it sucks. But man, you feel really good after. Feel like you accomplished something. Internet, I love that, man. That's very true. That's extremely true. You can't be thinking negatively and down on yourself and pissed off that you broke your rules one day. Then you're letting the enemy win. You're just letting the enemy win, guys. If you're like, yeah, you don't respect yourself, you're like saying, oh, you're such an idiot, what are you doing, blah, 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 blah. It's not worth it, man. Treat yourself with respect. Yeah, I love that, internet. What's up, FL? What's up, brother? Guys, look, it formed a kind of like a double top, double bottom. Mini double top right here. Da-da-da. Boom. Dude, I remember I used to, when I first started trading, I used to trade the crap out of double bottoms and double tops. I'm like, oh, it's going to reject up here. It's got to do it. What's up, Isaac? Going good, man. How are you? Yeah, Gabriel, I think yeah, also there's sim accounts. Guys, if you lost on the day, like on these accounts, yeah, you lost, but technically you didn't lose any of your money. As long as the accounts are still alive, you could still make it back. Always trade for tomorrow. Isaac, yeah, we took one loss and one break even. Well, we're just gonna be patient until FOMC. Nice, Isaac. Internet, you're like, sir, I have failed you. What have I done? It's like, dude, it's literally a 10-point loss. Come on. Are we really gonna go bad shit tilt over one loss? 10-point loss? Really? Really, guys? Are we gonna flip the table, go crazy because of one 15-point stop loss? Seriously? Are we really gonna do that, guys? Absolutely not. Come on. Oh, man. Yeah, Venture. Yeah, we're getting the tariffs and inflation kicking in. Now the prop firms are starting to be affected. They're gonna add a tariff fee now. Alright, got a new 5-minute. You lost 10 points on NQ today? Get the fuck out of here. That's funny. True trades, yeah, you can get your confidence up, and then you get really annoyed when you start losing, and you're like, I can't end the day red, I gotta keep the streak going, and then you do really bad stuff, so yeah, it can be dangerous. Carbo, what up, Carbo? We gotta look for turtle. Dude, the turtle soups actually have been playing pretty well this week, I'm not gonna lie. Hey, that's a wise guy. Thank you, man. Yeah, Venture, yeah. They love taking that 20% cut. Yeah, guys, you can't let the charts consume you sometimes. Sometimes you just gotta accept the loss. It's not your day. It's gonna be alright. Just follow your rules and then literally do anything else. Go on a walk, play video games, read a book. Do anything. Go do some hobbies. Touch some grass. I don't know. Anything but trading. Take your mind off the charts. You shouldn't be like fully like consumed like, oh my gosh, dude, I can't believe I lost today, and be all like crazy, you know? Yeah, yeah, Kenji. Yeah, sometimes after a losing day, I'll take like a 30-minute nap after I'm feeling really annoyed, and then I'll just feel fine after. Yeah, Tradovate should be working okay. Should be. It's working for me now, and other people are saying it's working, Vern. Yeah, live futures trader. Hopefully they add something like that to Tradovate. I heard they were going to add some new features in February. Oh, Gabriel, oh no. Oh no. Hey, Gabriel, you're like tossing and turning in bed, and then you're just like, all you hear is order filled, stop filled. Trading is life, era. Yeah, guys, when you're going on your walks, just stare at the charts. When you're playing the video games, just have the charts open right here. When you're eating lunch, have a trading video on. Yeah, daily loss limit helps a lot. Middle, no, I'm just working on personal accounts. I mean, not personal, prop firm accounts. Yeah, internet, you gotta get a little snacky in. Guys, when you get a little snack in, just like a little bit of food and some water, you feel good. Get the hangriness away. Yeah, people say that Apex is not working, so I don't know. I'm not trading with him right now. But for TakeProfitTrader and other firms, they said it's working. So I'm not sure with Apex. Yeah, you're waking up, tossing and turning, having nightmares. Order filled, order filled. You're like, no. Venture, yeah, it's like a real life video game. Alright, we got a new 5-minute right here. Kev, man, just don't even trade the micro, man. It'll lead to bad habits. Just lock it in, bro. You got an $800 payout, lock it in, man. Walk away. There was too many times where I got a little greedy and wanted to trade more, and I started small. Loss. You size up, loss, and then it goes downhill from there, and you're like, damn, I should have just stayed cash. Lock in the payout, man. Derek, MyFundedFutures, TakeProfitTrader, Tradeify, Lucid, they're all pretty solid. Vern, yeah, watching past UFC fights is nice as well. I like that doing too. It's pretty nice. They have them for free on YouTube. Breakouts FL. You hear a scream? Oh, it's probably a breakout. Alright, guys, with this price action, triple top rejection. Normal me would look for a breakout here, honestly. But with this price action, I would think that would come back down here. But I don't know. Yeah. You're in the hospital. You got the RSI graph, the MACD, volume profile of the NASDAQ. Oh, look at me. I'm wrong right there. It looks like it's starting to break out. But it could just be a false breakout again and just dump hard, which it's been doing.
Order filled.
Guys, this is actually pretty risky. We're gonna turtle soup this shit. 10-point stop loss, whatever. If we lose, it's okay. It's 10 points, cheap trade. But it's been doing fake outs like crazy. Normal me would look for a breakout. I would look for a breakout, but we've been getting faked out like hard. And we're gonna try and reverse engineer this shit and look for a rip on down. False breakout, rip on down. I don't know, that's my theory. I could be wrong. I'm just some guy on YouTube trading turtle soup. Cheap trade. See it fall back to here, and that's a nice 30-40 points. That's a nice 1 to 3. But if we lose, we'll survive. We'll survive. Yeah, everyone says Apex is not working. I don't know. That's what everyone's saying, that they can't trade on it. But unlike a Lucid, MyFundedFutures, TakeProfitTrader, you should Tradeify, you should be fine. Yeah, Kev, honestly, bro, it's not even worth trading one micro. You can lock in the payout, Kev, and then get the payout and then trade tomorrow. My recommendation, just take the payout. That's my opinion. Don't even trade. Like, not even one micro. It's not worth it. Yeah. Sir, your procedure is $1,000. Alright, let me just take a nice 50-point scalp on NQ real quick. Yeah, take the payout, man. Honestly. Dude, imagine someone had $800 cash right now. Hey, you want it? I mean, sure. $800 cash. Or you could be a little greedy and want a little more. Oh, no, I want $900. I want $1,000. The $800 is already locked in. I'm taking the $800. Come on. It's already guaranteed. Yeah, guys, there's a few times, especially on TakeProfitTrader, like in 2024, I had like a payout locked in, 2 to 3 grand payout locked in. All I had to do was stop, but then I got greedy. I'm like, oh, one more trade, and then it goes downhill from there. And I'm like, damn, I could have just walked away with an extra 2 grand in my pocket, but I got fucking greedy. Come on. All right, I got a new 5-minute right here. I would really like to see a rejection right now and just fall and dump, but looks like it's starting to break out, which is no bueno. Yeah, Kev, if you would probably crash out if you lost that payout, take the payout, man. Your thoughts are confirming it right now. Just literally, that's $800 in your hand, Kev. Lock it in. And Kev, you can literally trade tomorrow. You can literally trade tomorrow. It's guaranteed, guys. $800 cash in your hand. NVIDIA, $191. Yeah, Carbo Night. I've done that numerous times. So now I'm like learning my lesson. Just like, hey, just take the payout. It's locked in. You could buy a bunch of evals with that. Yeah, Venture, absolutely. Yeah, because, like, imagine $800 in your hand. You're like, okay, I have that guaranteed. I could buy, like, what? 8 50K accounts, depending on your prop firm. You can get 8 50K accounts going on that. Think about it. And you still have the funded account alive. You could still take payouts with it. Damn, this is just so slow. No momentum. Yeah, Loki might just get out at break even and just wait for FOMC. Yeah, Meeks, it happens, man. You just can't let the till get to you. Once it starts, like, you start feeling, like, annoyed and stuff, like, yeah, just walk away. It's so hard to do, but you just gotta learn to do it. It'll save you in the long run. Dump it, IQ, just dump. Dump it down. Man, IQ playing games right now. Damn. Yeah. Loki just gonna probably get out.
Order filled.
No momentum, guys. I'm just gonna get out at break even again. Alright, guys. We took one loss, 15 points, and then 2 break evens. Literally break even, like $10, $20 profit. Nothing. So, I'm just gonna wait for FOMC now. It's just moving way too slow. There's, like, no momentum. There's too much hesitation. Simon, it should be good with other firms. Everyone's saying Apex is down, but they're saying the other firms are good. My TakeProfitTrader are fine right now. Yeah, Vlad, we're just gonna, yeah, guys, honestly, we're just gonna stay cash, honestly, till FOMC. Let's see what, we could see some bigger moves. Yeah, it's just moving way too slow, Carbonite. Way too slow. Hey, it just drops 50 points and you're just like full on tilt. We got reverse engineer the turtle soup. Mr. Powell, where are you? Peter, no, you're not allowed to trade pro accounts or pro plus accounts 1 minute before, during, and after the event. Do not trade during that time. You will liquidate the accounts, pretty much. New 5 minute. Blah, 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 blah. TakeProfitTrader. Oh my gosh. Eisen, I got a Alpha Future accounts. I got 3 funded. I got some Lucid brand new. I lost my Tradeify last week, unfortunately. No, my challenges. Guys, this is the move I was looking for. Damn, I keep getting out break even. But, I think it's just gonna, like, just a wick and then just come back up. But, who cares? You can't play the what if game. Vern, no, I don't. Mike, you see that turtle soup? You guys see this turtle soup? That I literally took a turtle soup entry on that last trade. Look at that. False breakout, rejection hard. But there was no hard rejection. It was just stalling. But the turtle soup concept played out. You guys see that? False breakout. Come back down. A normal me would look for a breakout long. But I've been getting faked out hard this week. So what do? We reverse engineer it. Look for false breakouts. False breakout. Boom. Tight stop. Look for a reversal. Oh, yeah. I love that orchestra music. Dude, it gets you hyped. You're just like, yeah. And when FOMC is going with Jerome Powell speaking live. Oh, that's funny. That's hilarious. Yeah, you gotta hype everyone up. Mike, yeah, you're speaking my language. I don't know what you're talking about. I only know turtle soups. Frickin' turtle soups, y'all. Can't believe turtle soups is a thing. False breakouts. Hey, looking for a false breakout right here. I mean, it kind of worked out. Look, false breakout and then it come back down. Turtle soups. Okay. Where's my illustrative artist Ani is where Ani, are you here? Okay. Here's a turtle. Here's his legs. His other leg. Shell. There. You guys see this? You guys see this? My illustrative artist, I don't think is here today. Yeah, that looks like a turtle to me. Yeah. Here's his legs. See his feet forming. Here's the shell. See, look, see these wicks? False breakouts. Make the eyes. He's smiling. Rejection hard. Fish soup. That's a car. We got a car turtle soup. Oh, man. How do I draw a turtle? Damn. I'm going to look up a picture of a turtle. Drawing. Turtle drawing. Easy. Turtle drawing easy. Okay. This is so stupid. Oh my god. This is so dumb. Fuck the turtles. We need a turtle soup. We don't need a turtle. We need a turtle soup. I can't draw today. Alright, we got that 10:30 candle. Paulo, it depends on your state and everything. I just give it to my tax guy and he does everything. Live. Attempting to draw turtles live. Featuring Bob Ross nature backgrounds. We'll have some like Bob Ross nature trees with the turtle soup. Collaboration. Yeah. Oh man. Guys, I might form another false breakout right here. Well, I'm happy we got out those last two trades, honestly. There is literally no movement. And they just come right back to our entry. Yeah, Mike. We gotta get the turtle soups on deck. No way. Alright, guys. You guys see this? You guys see this? This is the turtle. Someone made a way better drawing than mine. This is the soup. And these steams, the hot steam from the soup, those are the candle wicks. These are the bodies of the candle. And this is the turtle. See, he's always happy. He's got to be happy. He can't be upset. He's got to be a happy turtle. This is a good drawing. This is a great turtle soup. Dude, it's literally... Guys, are you literally seeing this? This shit is playing out. False breakout. Wow. Low-key gonna have to adopt this strategy. I'm gonna add it to my course for an extra $100. New and improved day trading strategies. No way. Guys, do not disrespect the turtle. Yo, Mike, this shit is working. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Carbo 9. Look, they literally banking right now. False breakouts. I can't believe this shit is working. I can't believe this shit is working. Turtle soup is cooking. Paulo, gonna probably gym. Do like a chest day. Like bench press, or probably do a dumbbell bench press, honestly. I like doing the dumbbell bench press. I like doing that. Yeah, we got a push day today. Shoulders, triceps. Yeah, I haven't done Insanity in a while, man. That's such a great workout. Such a good workout. Bro, I'd never sweat like a workout compared to Insanity, man. Literally, the warm-up is literally a workout in and of itself. It's literally a workout. Just a warm-up. Yeah, Mike, if you're not doing bicep curls in the squat rack, you're not lifting properly. Hey, fuck legs, fuck cardio, bench press only. Bicep curls in the squat rack. If you're not grunting with a gallon jug and a G-stringer tank top, you're not lifting, bro. Come on. Dude, I can't believe this shit is actually working. But yeah, guys, we're gonna stay cash until the FOMC. Yeah. Mike, yeah. We got we're just curling on the treadmill. Oh my gosh. That's funny. David, it says... Let me pull it up. I'll read you the exact thing. Boom, boom, boom. Alright. We hope the FOMC statement will follow at 2 p.m. Eastern. We kindly remind you that it is prohibited to hold any open positions during these new events. To ensure compliance, we ask that all Pro/Pro Plus accounts be closed out of all positions, and you have no open orders 1 minute before, during, and after the news event. 1 minute. So, David, I think you could trade after 1 minute. But yeah, nothing open, no open positions during that time. Yeah, Carbonite, I agree. Yeah, be a little safer on that. Well, it's expected going to be some volatility too. Guys, I just don't understand its price action, honestly. It like dumps, pops right back up, makes a new low, dumps, makes a new low, pops right back up, dumps, make a new low, pop right back up. I just don't get it. But yes, guys, we are being patient. Carbonite, you're right, brother. We just need to be patient, guys. Yeah, we're practicing patience. So sorry for not taking a trade. We're waiting for the big event. Yeah, we're gonna expect some chop and stuff, so we stay cash. Damn. Mr. Spy. Well, guys, this is silver. I don't know. I never traded silver. Everyone says it's pretty volatile. Dude, it's got some decent movement for compared to NQ, compared to FOMC. $1,000? What the fuck? One micro? $1,000? What the fuck? I don't know. I never traded this shit. It's like the astronaut guy. He's like, your first time before trading silver? No, go away. 5 racks for 1 mini. Hey, is 1 point 113 to 112? Like 112 to 113, is that 1 point on silver? Like from 112 to 113? $200K stop loss? Jesus. So 113 to 112 is $1,000 with 1 micro. What the fuck? Jeez. Dude, imagine you're in here. Oh my god. That's 3 points. Yeah, I think it's best that we stay out of it. Oh man. Yeah. I'm fine on the NASDAQ. It looks very sketch. Everyone be telling me, "Oh, do you trade silver?" Silver. I'm like, no, I don't trade any of that. Yeah, that's what I've been hearing. It's extremely volatile. Paul, that's a good one. No, I just listen to whatever. Honestly, my music taste is like so different. It really depends on my mood. Like I'll listen to like the most randomest shit, and then I'll be completely over it the next day, and then I'm listening to something completely else. Right now, I'm kind of on that like rap future vibes right now, Lil Baby shit like that. But then I'll go to like chill old school music. I'll listen to like Peso Pluma sometimes. I'll listen to like some like rock, metal sometimes. Not like that dark, deep metal. Like that kind of like chill metal. Gosh, yeah, yeah, guys. Let's just guys, all in silver. Guys, from here, 112 with 1 micro. That's crazy. 1 micro. Gosh, I can't imagine trading a 1 mini on here. This is $1,000 with 1 micro. That's crazy. That happened really quick. That moved really quick. Oh my gosh. Yeah, no thanks. No thanks. No, we're not full porting it, but hopefully we see a good trade after the event or something. Then we take the trade. That's why there's kind of just chop and slowing down right now. No, Pants fan, I wish I bought silver. I remember looking at it in gold, like, especially silver, it was like, what, like 40, 50 bucks, 45 bucks? And then it was at really high. But then it just massively rallied. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Yeah, Dab, I've been listening to that like hype music lately, like kind of like that old school like good vibe music. Yeah, like that future rap. I'm like yesterday, like on a drive, I was like, yeah, this thing is. I was like getting hyped. Yeah, guys, if you want to pass that 1 day eval, just trade silver. Literally just rip 1 micro. Damn. Alicia, people say that it's working for me on TakeProfitTrader, but they say that Apex is down. But the other firms said they should be good. Like Lucid's up. MyFundedFutures, Tradeify. Tradovate. Yeah, on Tradeify you can trade. Kenneth, no, you cannot hedge, no. TakeProfitTrader will liquidate your accounts or whatever. They'll blow it or something. I don't know what they do. But they get rid of it. Alright guys, we're just being patient. We got 14 minutes till FOMC. Cam trades. I think you should be fine, but I don't know. But they say with the Pro and Pro Plus accounts. But Cam, if I were you, I would just be safe and just wait 1 minute after the event. Honestly, just wait like 1 minute after, and then yeah, you can trade. Because that's how it is with the pro accounts. Miguel, yeah, they say that with TakeProfitTrader to pro accounts, you could trade 1 minute after FOMC. Yeah, guys, do not trade during the event. You'll get liquidated. Miguel, thank you for commenting that. I didn't know that. I literally didn't. I didn't even think about that, Miguel. So thank you for saying that on my post. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I didn't think about that. Yeah, you're heating up the plastic on the coffee. I didn't realize that. So after I have like 10, 15 pods left of the coffee, after I'm done drinking that, I'm gonna switch to something else. Cause I still like coffee, but yeah, you're right about the Keurig cups with the plastic. It's not good. Thank you, Miguel. Okay, you could trade FOMC, Alicia. Thank you for the evals on TakeProfitTrader. Yeah, I didn't think about it. The Keurig cups, they're just pumping hot water through the microplastics of the plastic K-cup, and that's really bad for you. I didn't think about that, so thank you guys. A percolator? Casinator with the percolator? Oh, I think I see one of these. Hey, thank you, Alicia. Yeah, because I still want to drink coffee, but yeah, now with those K-cups, it's not looking that healthy. Now that I think about it. So thank you guys. A percolator. Hey, Casinator with the percolator. Pens fan? No. We're at 1,200 right now. We need $800 to pass or get to the buffer. Paulo, I do trading and then YouTube full time basically now, so basically my two jobs, I guess. Trading and then the YouTube, like these live streams as well. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice now when I wake up. Like I was like, it's like a full time job for me. Like I wake up, trade, get coffee, live stream for 2 hours. Then after, like edit videos and stuff like that. And then by the time I'm done, like 2 or 3 o'clock, I'm like, then I can go to the gym and stuff. So it's nice, a full day event. Mixed sounds, yeah, it happens. It happens. I know that sometimes after I get a payout, I'll get like a little confident or stuff like that. Then I just trade badly and stuff. I don't know. Nespresso, aluminum pods. Yeah, guys, thank you guys for mentioning the plastic pods. I literally never thought about that. Yeah, I still want coffee. I like coffee. Cannes, if you make 10 grand in a day in one account, you automatically get moved to live. Or you consistently do good and you're consistently getting payouts and the risk team likes what you're doing and they see that you can be good for a live environment, they'll put you into live. So either of those two options. Paulo, I had a shoe business. I was doing shoes full time for like 3-4 years. That was my full-time job. I was like reselling shoes. It's pretty cool job. And then before that, I worked in an office, like filing papers and stuff. Cannes, yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm literally been fighting back to get to the buffer on these Cannes. And then my plan is, once I get to the buffer, I literally just trade the micros and literally just get like payouts. 5 accounts, guys. Like, yeah, that's literally good money. That's really good money. Yeah, beyond tomorrow. Yeah, microwaving food. Yeah, if you doing like a plastic Tupperware, yeah, it's probably not good, especially with a microwave. When I use the microwave, I just put it on like a regular, like what, ceramic plate. But yeah, I didn't realize all these things. Drinking from plastic bottles all the time. I have a hydro flask. But yeah, I just found out about the damn Keurig, and I'm like, shit, I didn't realize that. I'm counteracting my own health. Mixed sounds. Hey, at least you got the payout, but yeah. Yeah, I think now if I get like a big payout or something, yeah, take like maybe like a few days off or a week. Cause I noticed when I get a big payout, I might end up blowing the account pretty soon after. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm like, oh, I can get another payout. Canaz, yeah, absolutely. I mean, even $100. I mean, that's $400 after the fees. $400. That's good money. Thank you, Miguel. Thank you. I really appreciate you looking out my health, man. I really appreciate it. Paulo, yeah, we can. I want to do like maybe like a halftime show. Do some disco ball. Yeah, turn the lights off. Have a disco ball going. Lights. When we have like a big payout on the line, we're all getting hyped. Mixed sounds, yeah. Yeah, I think, yeah, if I get a big payout, yeah, definitely take a break from those. Maybe take a break from trading, yeah, like at least a few days, maybe even a week. Guys, we got the FOMC in 6 minutes. Hurricanes? Careful, Gabriel. Careful. Good luck. Yeah, guys, we have a 4-hour candle 2 opening at FOMC. Oh, man. Oh, boy. Oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna do 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Yeah, we gotta get hyped for that. FOMC. Where is that? You guys know that intro? That's an OG intro. No problem, makes sense. Yes, sir. Breaking Bad. Yep. You guys got it. That was a great show. Great series. I watched it like twice. Great series. I'm on season 3 of Tulsa King. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I got hooked on the first episode. I was like, shit, this is pretty good. Well, looks like we're kind of breaking out this range right here, but we got FOMC in 3 minutes, so I'm not gonna trade till then. Yeah, that was a great series. Awesome, man. So 44.4. Doing good. How are you? Vlad, yeah. Great show. Great series. Might have to watch it again. I haven't watched it in like over 3 years, 4 years. Really great show. Yeah, Finn. I wish they kept it going, but it was still great. I can't give you guys spoilers for people that haven't watched it, but yeah, we got a nice $3,600 payout with these accounts. They're still alive. They're still alive, guys. We're still in the game. Don't panic. Vlad, I heard it was okay. I haven't really got into it. There was a movie after Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad movie. El Camino. I watched El Camino. It's with Jesse Pinkman, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, El Camino. Yeah, I think it was Jesse Pinkman and then that guy freaking Todd. Animal Kingdom, yep. Well, Better Call Saul is really good. I might have to check it out then. Yeah, I watched El Camino. Yeah, Finn Ben, it was really good. Great guy. Yep. I haven't watched it mentally, Samar. Yeah, I might have to watch Better Call Saul. Yeah, do you guys like that scene with Todd, like, driving with the windows rolled down, like, singing? Like, yeah. He's just vibing. I'm like, yeah, that's me in the Honda Fit. Just vibing. Oh, you guys see that? Alright, guys, see, this is FOMC. You gotta be cautious. Look at that wick. This is what we're looking for. $44, take profit trader. Good luck, venture capital. Alright, here we are, guys. Look at that. See what it wants to do. Mr. Jerome Powell. Mr. President. Mr. President. Can't get copyrighted. Now I'm going to need a third monitor. Wolf of Wall Street, Paulo. That one's a good movie. The soup. Guys, the soup is going over. Guys, this turtle soup is too much. Cannot handle the heat. Alright, guys. Take Profit Trader said 1 minute after the event, so it's been 1 minute. So even if you're going to trade, it's pretty volatile. I'd honestly stay cash if I were you. That's just my opinion. Yeah, I think it's gonna move more when he starts talking. I don't think he's talking yet. I have to put on my... Yeah, I gotta get another third monitor now. It's my excuse to get a third monitor. Oh, I need to have Jerome Powell there on news days, guys. Jerome Powell. Yeah, well, looks like it's coming back down now. I don't know what the heck it's doing. But he hasn't spoke yet. It's just loading. Jesus. Look at that dump. Okay, now that's the movement. I mean, yeah. That was a kind of a delayed reaction. Dumb money. Oh yeah, I would have done money with the GameStop GME. Gabriel, if you were a break even from these big wicks, that's a win, man. That's a win, Gabriel. Yeah, 44. Yeah, it happens because like you get more pressure and then yeah, your anxiety kicks in, all that stuff. All right, Vlad, peace out, brother. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, the meeting conference is at 11:30, so 27 minutes. Hey guys, as soon as Jerome Powell walks in, good morning, everyone. NASDAQ, boom, skyrockets, all-time highs. Good morning, everyone.